Okay guys, I'm looking for new ground today, so hopefully you can be able to tell just where I'm here. It's some old diggings, so I come in just before. Didn't bring anything with me to do any testing or anything, so just gone back to the car and got some stuff. So I've got a gully running down here. Should be able to see all the old workings. I'm going to go up around the corner here. I see someone's been having a bit of a dig. And they've dug quite a bit, or I believe quite a bit. I wouldn't be digging that much unless I was finding something. So I'll have a little look. There's water there as well, so that's good, because everywhere else is dry. So as you can see here, they've dug a decent hole. There's more workings all up in here. Now, the creek's coming there from the right and coming around that corner, comes through here and then goes around the corner there. So this side is what you'd call the inside bend. So obviously someone's dug here, and this part here with the water, someone's given it a really good dig. You can see all this dirt here. So my first part of the plan is I'm just going to get my yabby pump in there and just suck up what I can, see if there's anything there. They've also dug another little trench here, obviously trying to find the line. Now, if they've dug that and then dug all this, I'm telling you now, if I wasn't finding something, I dug that. Actually, I wouldn't dig that. If I wasn't finding something, I wouldn't dig this. So I'm going to give all this area a yabby pump. I don't actually know how deep that is. I haven't stepped in it yet. I'll give this a yabby pump. I haven't got my pan. I've got a replacement pan at the moment. As a few of you probably know, I left my pan at the last outing, and one of the guys there, Mohammed's, got me pan. So hopefully get that back. I'm going to be doing another outing soon, so maybe Mohammed can come back and try and get him some gold this time. So I'll give this spot a bit of a yabby pump. There's probably going to be leeches and stuff in here, so I'm going to have to be careful. But I'll give this spot a little yabby pump, get a pan out, and see if it shows me some colour. It's going to be a quick dig today. I just come more to have an explore this week than digging. Had a big day last Sunday, so I'm pretty buggered from that. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Give this a yabby pump and see if we can get some colour. Alright guys, I thought to myself, look, you know, probably wasting your time, you dickhead. So I did probably, I filled the classifier about halfway, and I thought I'd just check and to see. Got a couple of bits of gold straight off the bat. That surprised me actually. I didn't think that was going to happen. So, what am I going to try here? What I might try, because I'm standing in mud. I'm actually getting stuck in it. So I'm just going to try going maybe in that direction a little bit, just to get some of the dirt rather than get the mud off the bottom. Obviously there's gold here, so I don't know, I'm just going to give this a little go that way. I'm going to do pan that way, just see if we get any colour. I'll do another pan just in here. I'll just get the dirt as close to the bottom of this as I can, and just see what happens, see which way I might head. I'm only having a really quick dig here. I'll probably do maybe just those 2 pans. I know there's colour here, and return another day when I got a bit more energy. Yeah, I don't want to be digging too much today. It's more just looking for new places. So 1 pan there, 1 pan here, and then yeah, we'll see how we go. Obviously you could go around that corner too, but no, not going to happen today. But let's get back to this. Okay, I don't know, I'm being a bit cautious today. I dug about a shovel, if that, and once again, because the water's so muddy, it's going to be hard to tell, but right there, if it focuses, another 2 there, and another one over there. Hopefully they'll show up. So 4 bits, less than a shovelful. I'm now going to dig there. Yeah, this is looking like it's got some potential. As I said, someone would not have dug this unless they're getting colour. So I'm just going to go that way. I don't know why they stopped here. Maybe they weren't getting enough colour. But I'm just going to do a shovel over there and see what happens then. See where this colour's coming from, where it's going. Alright, I'll do a 3rd one right here. So I sucked one off the bottom, just randomly. I've now dug one just there, about a shovel load. I'll dig one there next, and then I'll go here. Looks like they've been going up into there as well, into the cavity. Now I don't know where the pay layer is, I'm just guessing. So yeah, we'll see what happens. So see what the next pan reveals. Okay, so barely took a shovel from there as well. Got a few more bits of gold. What I'll do is I'll get, when I get back to the car, I'll put some fresh water in. Then you can actually see the gold a bit better. So a few more bits just there. Okay, last spot, I reckon. Last spot right here. Let's see what happens. Alright guys, what I've done, took 1 shovel out of there, out of that edge. As I said, I don't know where the gold is here. But that 1 shovel right there, people talk about spec count, oh, you know, need this 20 specks, 30 specks per pan. You know what? When the bits of gold are like that, just move it so it's stuck to my finger. Alright. When the gold is, come on, focus. Let's see if this will focus. There we go. That might be a bit better. Right, when you're getting gold like that, I don't care if it's just 1 speck. That's a nice little piece of gold. Just got to put some water on my finger to make it drop out. So right there, I'm happy to get that every pan. That was going to be it. Now that I've got that, I'm going to do a few more pans. Just looking in here, so I might do another one out of there. Now I don't know where that come from. I don't know if it's coming out of this layer here, or I don't know if it's coming out of the layer just underneath. So I'm going to do 1 more pan, see if I get onto some more colour. And if it keeps coming, you know, might turn out that I'm going to have a dig today. But not too much, I don't think. A couple more pans and that'll be it actually. Otherwise, I won't end up at work doing this sort of stuff. But especially if it keeps coming like that. If I get some more gold like that and I get a few more bits, I might end up a bit longer, but no, I've got to get to work, so. And it was only a bit of an explore today more than anything. All right, better get back into it, get this done quickly and get out. Okay guys, what I did was I took a pan out of here, so above the water, and got nothing. That's my pan there. I'll classify that down and we'll see if we get any colour. And then I'll just add on to the end of this. What I'll do is I'm going to pack up now. As I said, I wasn't staying long. I'll do this pan. I'll get back to the car. I'll show you the gold that I got for today. Maybe 5 pans, 6 pans total, I think. Just like this. The first one was probably half that. It was just a check. It was just a quick yabby pump around the ground. Obviously, that'd be interesting over there. Might look. I might have to come back here with a couple of friends. That way we can test this area real quickly and get onto a good spot and then try and work it. But this is the only water, which is the downside. That's the only water we got, which isn't a lot. So let it rain for about the next 2 weeks and could be happy. But that'll be it. I'll pan this down and let's hope there's some more colour, and yeah. Alright guys, back at the car. So, you know, not a great deal of weight, but don't know what's going on there with some of this gold. Don't know if it's reefy or what's going on with it. But that's not bad. As I said, never been here before, so a few bits. I don't know if that's mercury or what's going on. But yeah, so I walked no more than 100 metres from where I parked the car. Just walked along until I seen someone had been digging. I knew there was gold here, and rather than going around everywhere and testing, I found where there was water, where someone else had been digging, giving it a try, and you know, got a little bit of colour. Quite a bit of black sand as well, which is surprising. I don't normally, when I've been out here before in this sort of area, I don't get this much black sand, so that's unusual as well. That's a good sign. But yeah, nice bit of colour there for today. As I said, if I spent half an hour there, I would have been lucky. But yeah, I hope you're enjoying this stuff. I know they make out like it's really, really hard to get gold, but if you go to a right area and you just start by going where someone else has been. You might get a speck and that'll tell you, yep, there's some gold around here. I'll dig a metre over there, or I'll dig up a little bit, or I'll look for a better spot where you think there might be a gold deposit. You know, a low pressure zone behind some rocks, maybe a few metres down from some rocks, some type of extraction. But it's not that hard. I seem to find it reasonably easy. I don't find 10 tonne of gold. I'm not going to get rich. I do this for enjoyment. I just like going out and going, all right, let's just try here. Sometimes it's a hunch as well, you know. But I am planning to do another day out. later or mid next month, or this month. I don't know if it's the first today. So we'll see what happens, but hope you're enjoying, and until the next time, I'll catch you all later.